Okay, so my name is Shozab and this is my first video regarding the progress of my project. And the game we are trying to make is the Arkanoid, and it's a really simple game in which we, as you can see, we have a ball, a paddle, and some bricks which we need to beat or hit through this ball, and we need to give the direction from this paddle. So in making this game we need to cover all these parts. We need to make a ball, pedal, and work on its movement, and some bricks. Okay, so let's see how much progress we have made in our project. So our project is based on this abstract class which name is object, and it is an abstract class because it has all the virtual functions which is get inherited from other objects. Let's say this is a ball class, and here we are making ball, and as you can see it's inheriting from the object class. So here we set all the position of the ball, its movement, and how the ball is moving, and the rendering. Rendering means it's drawing. We use the STL library, graphics library of C++, and the same thing goes with the paddle. It's also narrating from the object which has else texture, the set position, the rendering part, which is the still part, the wrist movement. And now let's see how our game is looking like. So here we have a paddle in its moving condition, a ball, and its ball, but as you will going to see that there is no collision part, means the ball is not getting hit by this paddle and not getting deflected. We need to work on the collision part, and also there is no brakes and there is no background, so we need to work on that. But till then it's all we have. Okay, bye.
The project that we are working on is Arkanoid, and the part that I will be working on is power-ups. This is the header file of the power-ups. This file will be inheriting from the abstract class that is object. Other than that, we will be including the header files of ball and paddle in this file, because power-ups is actually associated with the ball and the paddle that will be there in our game. This is the header files, and these are all the functions that we will be using for the construction of the power-ups. Main power-ups that we will be focusing on is some of the power-ups that we will be focusing on are fireball and bullets being shot from the paddle. This is actually the CPP file of the header file power-up. Up to now we haven't really done anything in the CPP file, but for next week we target to make as many power-ups as we can, and yes, that's it for now. Thank you.
Hello, Dr. Omar. So, Fariha and I was working on power-ups for our project. So, we have done up till yet is that we have made a powerup.h file that contains all the functions that we will be using in our powerups.cpps. And we have decided that we will make three kinds of power-ups. Like, for example, one will be a fireball, and one will be a flash ball, and third we will decide. We haven't decided the third one. So all the three CPP files will be inheriting from the ball.h, because they will be using the functions of ball, but they will be using different sprites. For every CPP power up file, we'll be using a different sprite clips, and they will be having different types and different characteristics that you can see here. They will be having different velocities and blah blah that we will decide. So this is our prototype this is our basic prototype for our CPP files. You can see here. And one more thing I'm forgetting is that what okay, so and we will include private attributes that we will figure out that what we have to use here. And this is our progress till yet, and our plans for next week is that we'll create 3 more CPP files that will be inheriting from ball.cpp and using all those functions with different characteristics. So see our progress till next week, and till that, goodbye. Have a good week, sorry.